Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a rectangular school field. It measures 50 meter by 30 meter. Now, in order to make way for a running track around this field, the length and the breadth of this field is to be reduced by 20%. Find the percentage decrease in the area. Okay, since we are talking about area, and it measures 50 by 30, the O area is 50 by 30, 1,500 meters square. The new area, both the length and the breadth is reduced by 20%, which means we have 80% left. So if you were to see my working for the new area, I will need to have the O area times 80% and the O breadth times 80%, and I multiply both of them. Okay, so this is something that you need to take note of, and I'm going to multiply both of them. So this is going to be my new length multiplied by my a new breadth. Yep, and this will give me a value of 960 meters square. Therefore, the percentage decrease is equal to the decrease divided by the original area multiplied by 100%. And that will give me 36%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.